Today I'm at a no AC service call here. I have a system. This is flashing on a 6 fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fault. And it is telling me that the 6 fault is open start circuit. Okay, so the compressor's got an open circuit. Oh, and visual inspection, bang. Found the problem already. All right, time to install a new cap and get the system running. I use these are a little bit more expensive, but I can't carry every single size cap in my truck. So I'd rather this and be able to help my customer when I show up than have to leave and come back. All right, so I installed the new one. The strap that was on the old one didn't fit, so I made my own strap for it, so this way it doesn't go anywhere. It's solid. I always put the date I change any part on it. Let's make sure, this is the moment of truth, that everything works. If I plug it in correctly, it will, right? Boom, and we're off. Compressor started. We're at 8 amps right now, so obviously the winding's closed. We're rated for 16.7. So, and now we're only at 9, but we just started. And the fan isn't overamping, right? Make sure the motors didn't cause it to go, because often motors and stuff can cause it to go. 4, rated for 0.65, so that's good. All right, nothing's overamping. All right, well, this is a nice, easy repair. I'm gonna watch this operate and then take off. Till next time, I'm out.